everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in AhleBait High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 8th class maths. We have started a discussion with the chapter, that is comparing quantities using proportions. What did we learn? We started with the basic introduction about what is a ratio, what is compound ratio, right? Then we did few problems of discounts and all other problems we have did. Yes or no? Today let us continue the same concepts and do few more problems. Shall we do? See here. He gave Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain, okay, and Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. Okay. First, we do not know how much was the cost. So, let us assume the cost at which Gopi bought it, okay, that is Gopi's cost price is 100. Then he is telling that 12% gain he took and he sold it, okay. That is, how much will be it? Tell me. That is Ibrahim's cost price. That is nothing but, tell me, this is nothing but SP, that is CP into, based on the profit we will calculate it. How do we calculate? That is 100 plus 12% बोले तो 12 rupees, that is 112 rupees, isn't it? Then we have to find John's cost price at a loss of 5%, okay, that is John's cost price at a loss of 5 rupees. What is the formula? That is, tell me, CP into 100 minus 5 by 100, that is 112 into 100 minus 5 by 100, that is nothing but 112 into 95 by 100. How much is it? Tell me. That is nothing but 106.40 rupees. Okay, this is John's CP. Then he is telling that he paid 1330. Then now just calculate, for 100 rupees it is 106.4. How much do we get? Tell me. That is inverse proportion, therefore that is 1330 into 100 by 106.40. How much it? Tell me the answer. That is nothing but 1250. Is it clear? Did you understand? Next, he is asking, find how much did Gopi sold it. Okay, again we have to go till here. How do we calculate? That is 112%. Okay, with 112% we have to find the SP, Gopi's SP, that is equal to 1250 into, how much is it? Yes, 112%. Okay, just we have to multiply and calculate, that will be our 1400 rupees. Clear? Did you understand? You have to write stepwise. Clear? Shall we do the next problem? See here. Find buying price of each of the following when sales tax of 5% is added on them, that is VAT or sales tax or something. Okay, that is, for this we have to add 5% of 50. बोले तो क्या? 5 by 100 into 50. How much is it? 50 ones are 52, so that is nothing but 2.5 rupees. Is it clear? Therefore, what will be the cost here? Therefore, buying cost is equal to 50 plus 2.5, that is nothing but 52.5 rupees. Okay, and the next, here 2 soaps of 35 rupees each, therefore it will be, total amount is 70 rupees, isn't it? एक soap का 35 बोले तो 2 soaps का 70 rupees. Then he is telling 5% of 70. How much is it? 5 by 100 into 70, that is nothing but 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are 7 by 2 is 3.5 rupees. Clear? Just add it to that. Therefore, buying cost is equal to 70 plus 3.5, that is 73.5 rupees. Is it right? Did you understand? These are all different problems based on CP and SP and all those. Clear? Next, let us discuss the new topic, that is the next topic of this is mostly it is compound interest. How do we calculate compound interest? You people all know. We will use for first year, it is nothing but the simple interest. For second year, compounded yearly, half yearly, quarterly, okay. And what are the different applications of that? Shall we do? Let's do. Look at the question here. He gave to find the amount and CI on 8,000 rupees at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. Everything is given, yes or no? That is, we have to find CI first. How do we find? Tell the formula, yes or no? Sorry, first find the amount. We have direct formula in amount, right? That is principal into, tell me, 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. What is principal? 8,000. What is rate? 5. How many years? 2. That is 8,000 into 100 plus 5. 105 by 100 whole square. That is 8,000 into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 0, 1 0 will get cancelled. Then you can write it as 4, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 5 1s are, 5 21s are. Clear? That is, how much it will be? 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 420 into 21. Tell me what is the answer? 21 into 21 into 2, okay. That is nothing but 8820. This is amount, okay. Then what about compound interest? Compound interest is nothing but amount minus principal. 8800 minus 8,000. How much is it? 820 rupees. Clear? Did you understand? The only thing we have to remember the formula of compound interest, okay. Right? Just remember this formula. Next, see the question. Find the CI paid when the sum of 10,000 is invested for 1 year 3 months and at 8.5% per annum compounded annually. What all are given? Just tell me. 1 year 3 months it sums, okay. Just you have to find the amount for first year and you have to find the amount for next 3 months. He is telling that it is compounded annually, okay. First year, what is the formula we use for interest? That is PTR by 100. Is it right? Now see here, given, what is given? Total sum, that is nothing but principal amount, that is 10,000 is given. Rate 8.5, that is nothing but 17/2%. Is it right? Yes or no? And the next, for first year, for 1 year, interest is PTR by 100, that is 10,000 into time is 1 year, R is 17/2 by 100. Is it right? Just multiply and tell me the answer, how much it will be? 0 0, 2 1s are 2 50s are, 17 5s is 85. Therefore, it is 850 rupees. Therefore, amount for first year is 10,850 rupees. Okay. This will be principal for next 3 months. Is it clear? That is, for next 3 months, principal is 10,850, okay. Rate is again 17/2, time is 3 months, then it is 3/12, that is nothing but 1/4 year, okay. Let us substitute that in that. That will be I is equal to P T R by 100. Is it clear? Now just divide and tell me how much do we get? Tell me. That is nothing but 230.5. This is the interest. Then he is asking us to find CI paid. Okay. How much is the compound interest totally? Tell me. Total compound interest is 850 rupees plus 230.5. Okay. How much is it? That is, just add 0, 8, 10. Clear? Did you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Now see here the next question. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in certain experiment was increasing at a rate of 2.5% per hour. Remember, that is not per year or per day. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. Instead of years, you can consider it as hours if the count was initially 506,000. Okay, it is nothing but initial is 506,000. Rate is 2.5% and the time is 2 hours. Then what is the compound interest? Tell me. That is nothing but compound interest. Compound interest or total amount? That is nothing but total amount, simply 506,000 into 1 plus r by 100 whole square. Is it right? Just tell me how much is it? 506,000 102.5 by 100 whole square. Is it right? Just multiply and tell me the answer. How much is it? That is nothing but 531616.25. This is the count of bacteria after 2 hours. Clear? Look at the next question here. He is telling that machinery worth 10,000 depreciated by 5%. Find the value after 1 year. Okay, that is the same thing. Principal is 10,000, rate is 5%, time is 1 year. Depreciation, then the amount is P into 1 minus T by 100, sorry, R by 100 whole power N. Okay, that is 10,000 1 minus 5 by 100 whole power 1, depreciation, which means decreasing it. That is why we have written it as like this. Okay, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 into 20 is 10,000, 20 minus 1 by 20, 0 0 will get cancelled, 1000 into 19, therefore answer is 19,000. 19,000, here it is by 2, 19,000 by 2. How much is it? 19 by 2 is nothing but 9.5, that is 9,500. Therefore, 10,000 ka machinery will become 9,500. Clear? Shall we do one more problem? Look at this question here. Find the population of city after 2 years, which is present at 12 lakh if its rate increased at 4%. The same thing, that is principal is 12 lakh, time is 2 years, okay, and rate is 4%. What is the amount it is increased? That is 12 lakh into 1 plus r by 100 whole square. Isn't it? Yes or no? Just multiply 12 lakh into 104 by 100 whole square. Now check it here. 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros will get cancelled. I will get 120 into 104 into 104. How much is it? Multiply and tell me. That is 12 lakh 97,920. Therefore, the population after 2 years of a city will be 12,97,920. Clear? Now look at the next question. Calculate CI on 1000 rupees over a period of 1 year at 10% per annum. Okay? If interest is compounded quarterly, what do you do? Tell me. Interest is how much? Quarterly it seems. Then you have to find the quarterly interest. Okay? That is, first, what is principal? 1000, it's fine. And what is time? For 1 year compounded quarterly bolo to we have to take 4 quarters, therefore n will be 4. Then what about rate? Out of 10% we have to divide it by 4, that is 5/2%. Is it clear? Just substitute in the formula, that is amount equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole square. Is it right? 4. Okay. Let us simplify that. Clear? This will be the amount, that is 1000 into, how much is it, tell me? 5 ones are 5, 20s are. This will be 40. 1 plus 1 by 40 whole power 4, that is 1000 into 41 by 40 whole power 4. Clear? How much do you get? That is 1103.81. Clear? You can simplify and solve. This is the amount. What is the CI now? CI is amount minus principal, that is 1103.81 minus 1000. 1103.81. How much is it? 1100 minus 1000, that is 103 rupees 81 pice. Clear? Did you understand? These are all different problems of this chapter. What did we learn in this chapter? We started with comparing quantities, that is how do we find the ratios, how do we find the compound ratios, finding x, okay. Then finding the discounts, right, and the percentage values. Then we solved the simple interest problems, okay. In the second exercise we learned how do we calculate the compound interest, the amount and its applications, okay. We even found out the discount, marked price, yes or no, profit percent, loss percentage problems. Clear? Fine. By this problem we can end the chapter, that is comparing quantities using proportions. Clear? Fine. Let us meet in the next session with the next chapter of 8th class. Thank you.